Righto, g'day guys. Just shy of 6 o'clock. Welcome to episode 600. Look at that, 6 o'clock, 600. You guys are going to love this. It's very, very early. Me and the family are up. We're ready to go. Too fucking early not to have a coffee, but... Are you ready?
Are you filming?
Yeah.
You're gonna do a montage?
Yeah. Let's check in over here with the old lady. 50 years old now, mate.
Stop.
Half a century. Raise the bat. How you feeling?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
How you
great.
feeling?
Yeah, man. Even the smell of it gets my ding dong hard. Oh, fuck yeah. Look at that sad face. Very sad doggy. She knows the suitcases be packed. Sorry. See you in a week, mate.
Just remember Mum's suitcases as well.
We got the back seat too.
Yeah, I might put mine on the back seat.
Oh, this stupid fucking thing here. Breakfast. You probably know from the title, we're going to Cairns on a Cairns trip. Yay! Episode 600 Cairns trip. I'm just going to vlog the whole thing. I'm not going to bother doing episodes. This fucker's probably going to be like an hour long, maybe even longer. So I hope you guys enjoy that. I thought this was a nice little surprise. We hopefully are able to get on the flight. Nardi did organise the tickets, so there's probably going to be some problems. Alright, here we are. No thanks to these two. Women, directions, driving, not a good time. We did it. We're home. We're nearly there. Look at this shit. They made me take my shoes off for the steel caps. I'm wearing bloody old socks. Happy days. We're going to get on the plane soon. Are you excited? Do you remember last time we were on a plane? Because I don't. I repressed it.
I remember little bits, but I don't remember being on a plane, no.
It's part of my dark backstory that will someday be revealed, but I won't tell you the story now. Do you remember, when was the last time you were on a plane?
About 25 years ago.
Holy shit.
I know.
Are you nervous?
I am a little bit.
Yeah? Do you know the #1 cause of plane crash is planes?
Stop it.
I watched so much air crash investigation. It begins. How you feeling?
Good.
Yeah, Mara?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah? Don't lie, you both just said you were nervous.
I was feeling claustrophobic, but now I'm alright.
Yeah.
So everyone sat down, I was like...
Yeah. I'm feeling really arachnophobic, unrelated to the flight, just in general. That is so cool. We did it! We're in Cairns. Now to find out what kind of cans they are. My money's on soup. Soup for my family.
And then when they get caught, they say, no, this is soup for my family.
Is that yours?
It might be.
Oh yeah, I don't know the bag, so I'm pretty sure mine's actually here, guys. I think the important man's got his bag, which is good because I got 4 ounces of Coke in it. Is that my name? Yep, that's mine. Yeah, it's Nutty's.
Hi.
Update.
Well, we've just arrived in Cairns. We've picked up the car and we're heading to our accommodation. tropical Queenslander. Let's see what it's like.
Room o'clock. Hello, room. Television. Beb. More beb. And forbidden door. Yeah, aircon's the key. It's fucking hot, dude. Cairns is really hot. I think it's because it's closer to the equator. She's interrupting me. Closer to the equator, so Cairns is a little bit warmer than Brisbane.
Just because it's been cleaned. It smells very
pungent. Shades on. Swag drippy. Bottle-o robbed. Attended.
Mine was only 14.
I don't care. I didn't
It
ask.
had 18, but it's 14.
He probably
nice.
liked you. Did he ID you?
No.
He definitely liked you because you look like you're about 12. Mine, do you?
I've got a pepperoni here.
Yeah, I'll give me that one. Give me that one.
Mine is small.
I was wondering why you ordered a medium.
Because I thought a medium was medium.
No, medium's tiny. Large is medium. Guess which fucking idiot had Manly to cover the $15 line in the multi? This fucking idiot right here. Close game, but I don't know what I was thinking. I should have known they were going to get a train run on them. Which idiot had Canberra in the multi?
Me.
Yeah, pretty happy with that one.
Your shit as well. This is my jump. This is the only jumper I have. I respect that you wanted to, you know, do some shit, but don't. Thank you.
Oh, why would you do that? That fucking hurt.
Because you deserve it.
What the fuck? I wasn't even arguing with you. I didn't even say anything to you.
You're always kicking at me and
You
doing
just
stuff at
fucking
me.
punched me in the fucking liver, dude. Are you kidding me?
Well, that's what you always do to me. You heard?
Did you hear that?
I heard the sound of like a slap.
Ow. Bro, that liver's got enough fucking work to do tonight without your fucking input, you old hag. Fuck you.
Get rid of the ad breaks and show the score. Oh fuck, why is that there?
What do you even mean?
What is that?
That's so we can shut the door. Is that part?
Bro, it locks. Why do we need
No,
that?
that doesn't lock.
Huh.
That's why that's there.
That absolutely does lock. I've literally just locked it.
Chance of rain 90%.
I'm saying that as if that's not a very idea.
It doesn't mean that we can't go to the market. Let's just see how we feel.
Okay, but do you want to walk around in the markets in the rain? That's my
Can we just make
No,
the
I
choices in the
understand.
morning?
What I'm getting out of this is that you are pushing very hard to go to the market.
Well, it's the only time we can go.
That's fine with me, but I'm asking you a question and I'd like an answer, please.
Yeah.
Do you want to go to the market
Yes, we
in
do.
the rain?
Oh. Well, then it makes it very difficult. Because there's 2 hours.
I know you want to go to the fucking markets. I'm acutely aware of that fact. I want to know how fucking badly you want to go to the markets, bro.
What's happening?
We're breaking down.
What happened to your leg, Mara?
What is
Why is it
fucking
sore?
going on, guys?
I need a knife.
Righto, we're going to the aquarium because it's a little bit rainy today, as you can kind of see. Over in them there hills. It's not too bad, but it's too bad to do anything kind of outdoorsy. We're just doing baby's first door locking over here, see if we can figure it out.
It's locked, but now I can't get the key out.
The aquarium. Just walking down Cairns streets, bevy in hand. So it's weird because it's winter, but it's not cold. The rain's actually refreshing because it's so fucking humid up here. Just having a bit of a coffee by the fish tank. Look at him. That looks like Blake. Blake was a fish. Do you think the aquarium would be okay with me taking him for shark bait? The bloody hell is that thing? What the bloody hell is that thing? so cool, dude.
Venomous, are they?
Yeah, I wouldn't fuck with one. Remember when you asked me if I catch sea snakes, if I would ever have to catch one? It's like, no, why would I ever have to catch one? Look at that. Right, aquarium done. Time to move on to greener pastures and look at some more bloody animals. So what's plans now?
We're going to the wildlife dome.
We want food and wildlife dome. I reckon we combine the two and just eat what we find at the dome. Oh, shit, man, these birds eat cocoa pops. I never thought me and birds would have anything in common, but there you go. Wow, incredible. He loved that fit. Oh man, you see how drippy I am. Oh, he liked them boots, bro. He liked them. Oh my god. He gonna steal my Tim's, G. Damn. Get your ass out of here. Made a friend, guys. Aww. Getting feeding out of my hands. Come on, over here. Good bird.
I think he's trying to attack you, Nat. he liked us.
Hi, dude. That's a big boy. Ooh, he will chomp that camera to bits.
I'm glad it's a salad.
Barramundi, chicken schnitty. Trying to go get some schnitties. Chicken salad. Now I have to sit here and watch the nights get fucking pumped, so that's not great. Bit of with the boys. Do you know how to do this? Wow, that was pretty good. You know, Blue.
It's yours.
Blue Darty.
Can you change it?
Does she have a wild card?
Screw you, Natty.
Oh, what colour was it?
It was blue.
Challenge. Oh. It is time for the bed. It's we're getting up early tomorrow. We're gonna hit the Barra farm. You do snore too.
Really?
You are a snoring motherfucker. You be snoring like 2 minutes after we hit the bed. You are a snory ass motherfucker. We are here. Mara is speaking gibberish, but that's okay. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Oh! oh, nearly two. Nice, Mara. Good job. Straight away. Oh, come off. Oh, Mara. Will do, mate. Nice, Mara. It's not a bad one. Yeah. Woo! I will get a photo too if possible. Yeah, sweet. Gotcha. Up he goes. He's a wee tyke, look at him. Just a little fella. Sweet. Oh, oh, nice. Oh, was that right at the bank? Nice. Oh yes, and again. Yeah, she's smashing me. Oh no! If she could keep the hook in him, I'd be in trouble. Oh, shit. He's trying to get around there. Give me, you bastard. Come on, out you come. Nice. Sweet. Beauty. Next fish wins here. Next fish wins here, then we go for a big one. Deal? Alright, let's go. Game on. Go! Go, 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 go! Oh! Oh!
Landing it or just catching it?
You gotta get one in quick, Barra. Oh no, he's come off. Oh, oh. Good game. Good game. Yep. Got that net over there, Natty. Nice. Very cool. Bit of a lookout. Certainly can look out onto it. Certainly is a lookout. One of the lookouts ever in Australia. One of the lookouts in Australia for sure. No?
No, you're right, it is one of them. What colour?
Green, thanks.
Don't have any.
Okay, that's game over.
Oh, God.
111. So, great. 999. One away from losing, so you're gonna have to win every game from here, but you're still in it. That's right, isn't it?
But hang on, isn't that my score? Is that my, what?
Mum. Mara. Yeah.
Hang on, but she got 250s there, which was 100. How can
Did
she go? Yeah. How can she go from
I already
900
mixed it.
to 9? She had 250s in that, didn't you?
50s. She had one wild card.
No, she had
And
two.
2 20s and then 8 zeros and a 1. I'm very drunk. We're watching NCIS. Damn, that goth bird's hot. Fuck, she could get it.
Ooh wee.
No?
I like the other one.
Really? Nah, basic bitch. I like the goth one. She looks like she'd know what she's doing. Blonde bitch at taps from missionary. What do you reckon?
Oh my god.
My favourite part of staying at like a motel room or something is fucking jumping on the YouTube on all the TVs and seeing if people have left their shit signed in, and then just running onto my channel and doing a real quick subscribe. It's morning, we're all doing our makeup, and then we're going to see some crocodiles. Are you ready to see crocodiles? Make a crocodile noise. Do it. Cola.
Would it be? How cool would it be if you actually got some treasure?
The size of these fish down here. I don't even know what they are. Anyone know what they are? Fish ID, please. They're trying to get away. No, it's a salty.
That's a salt.
That's a salty. Yeah, they do. That's a salty. Jiu-jitsu holds would best serve you in fight against a crocodile. That's the question. Which jiu-jitsu? I'd say armbars out immediately.
Rear naked?
So you'd think a rear naked, but here's counterpoint, triangle. Because they can't open their mouth. If you get that triangle locked in, you can hold the mouth too. I'm just not sure you have the choking power. Yeah. I think any kind of front chokes, guillotines, anacondas, I think they're out immediately because the head's just going to chomp on your shoulder and rip you apart.
Yeah.
You have to do something. Even a mounted triangle might be a good one.
Just ground and pound.
Actually, I've changed my mind. I'm going to heel hook. It's a big scary fucking critter. Oh god. Oh no. He can't get there. Come on mate, you can do it.
Jump in and give him a lift.
Come on buddy. Us helping Sari onto the lounge. Oh my god. You'd think he would have got this down by now, right? There we go.
That literally is Sari getting onto the lounge.
Now to get comfortable and lay forever.
I thank you now.
Cuddles with the boys.
Oh.
Me sleeping with the homies.
This is a Harry Potter moment. You wouldn't look at him and think he'd be that deadly.
Such evil. Yeah, I don't know. Those are evil eyes.
They're
That's an
looking
evil
pretty
face.
cunning
bro.
to me. I
Yeah.
don't know, that King Brown looks pretty.
That was a bit bigger.
Mole friendly type man. The ancient one is awoken. What secrets will he reveal? We're on a boat.
Because you do comprehend just how big they are as an animal. But all I'm going to do, is a couple of little splashes. There we go. So you can see how she used that tail to launch herself up out of the water as well. All these vibrations are doing is letting her know where the food is. So crocodiles are hypersensitive. Pressure receptors on most of the scales of their body allow them to feel and detect these vibrations. Teeth as well. So on average, 6.
Staying a long way away from us. Maybe. I think it might just be Casa wary of us. Hey little fella. They always look so fucking tired, man.
That looks like my sleep paralysis demons.
It's me after 3 coffees. That is cool. Good posture on it, look at that. Oh! Beautiful right hook, he's hurt.
Sorry, I couldn't help myself. I knew you were scared of snakes. One of the most notorious snakes in Australia. And for no good reason, really. These guys have only ever been responsible for 2 human fatalities.
There it is. Yeah, I'll get in the clap, boys. You look tasty. Scratching your nuts, fucking relatable. Oh my god, I wish I could do that. Oh. Admirable dexterity, bud. What are you? Are you all wobbly?
Gorgeous. Give him some food nuts.
He wants food. I think he wants neck rubs.
Oh, that isn't the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my lord.
Okay, I'll give you more. Okay.
She's gorgeous.
Okay, great.
Right, I forgot the GoPro today because I actually got up and started to drink rum instead. We're going on the Skyrail. Should be fun. It's a bit of a miserable fucking day out there. I would turn the phone and show you, but there you go. You can kind of see. It's not the best, but hopefully the Skyrail will be good fun. We'll get up there into the sky and rail. We finished. It like shoots you up like a rocket, bro. It's pretty crazy. Oh shit, that did not sound like it was meant to happen, man. Oh fuck, dude. I reckon we're in fucking trouble here, mate. That is a fucking long way down, man.
Look at it from the just look at
Oh
this.
my
It's
god,
all-
if you fall down that, you're dead. If the car comes off here, you're fucking dead. You're just fucked. Honestly. Wow, look at that.
Natty, we're on number 13.
Oh shit! It just cracked. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Some fucking
We're right over the top of the road now.
Silent Hill shit. Oh wow, we're not that high up. We wouldn't survive, but man, Nani's brave leaving both of her feet on this flimsy little glass panel. Yellow car.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a bit higher than 40 metres, now that I look at it. It's probably more like 70 metres up. Wow. Ghost train. Ghost train and a waterfall. We're at Butterfly World. There's butterflies on the walls and stuff. And we can't go in yet because we got coffees. And yeah, they don't want us to spit the coffee on the butterflies. How many butterflies do you reckon you'll eat? 2? Rookie numbers. How many do you reckon you'll eat, Nardi? This is a butterfly jail for repeat offenders. You see that man right there? He done some hardcore fuck shit in his time. Serial rapist, that one. So he locked away. Can't have them in the general population. Got to keep them away from the other butterflies and such, you know, so they can live out here fruitful lives. And things like that, they stay locked. They never see the light of day. He's on death row currently. I think execution's scheduled for a couple days from now, so I'm just really glad they do that. Fucking dead butterfly down there, guys.
I don't think he's dead.
He's dead, bro. He's not moving. There's ants all over him. He's dead.
He's not moving either.
No, well, he's on a leaf. He's obviously alive. Somewhere. There he is. That one was killed. That one was murdered. That's why they're caged over there. That is definitely a butterfly. 100%. There's definitely another butterfly over there. That's definitely a butterfly. Oh, there's definitely a couple butterflies. Oh, I'm way too zoomed in. Oh yeah, there's a butterfly. It's fucking gorgeous here. It's Oh shit, man. They even provide a little snack for you when you're walking by. He's a friendly bird, one that talks. Scratches. Oh yeah, scratches. Oh, there you go, mate. Oh yeah. That's the way. Sizing up his fight. I don't know if he's a favourite though. Alright guys, I'm sick, unfortunately. Probably a good thing that happened on the last day of the trip. I have man flu like a bitch now. I'm so fucking sore and tired. But it was a great trip. Thank you very much for doing it with me, people.
It's okay.
In the car. I'm glad it was very fun. Even though the fishing wasn't the best, it was very fun and enjoyable. So, hope you guys enjoyed episode 600. Probably will film the dogs when we go and say hello to them because they'll be excited. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in episode 601 when I'm over this sickness, which fucking hopefully is not very long. Okay guys, stop. We're back from Cairns. We just did, well, I did a testy boy. And guess who's got COVID? That is me. It is fucked. Excuse me. It's not enjoyable. It's very unfun. Guess who else has COVID? And they're like, yay, the COVID twins. Fucking Cairns. Rough as.
Alrighty.
So yeah, we're just gonna fucking cry and try and sleep for a week, I guess. It's not fun. It's not enjoyable at all. Everything aches and yeah, I wish I was dead. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed episode 600. Beautiful ending. Glad we're gonna go out like this. Hopefully I die in the next couple days and that's the last episode. It'd be a pretty cool last episode, but anyway, hope you all enjoyed it. I'll catch you in the next one, if there is a next one. Wish me luck, boys.